Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your Messenger chat theme. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your chat theme on Messenger, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, select the chat for which you want to change the theme. So there are two ways to change your chat theme. So for the first way, you just need to tap this icon at the top right corner. And then after that, you will now be able to see the theme option right here. Just go and tap it. And after tapping it, there you go. You will now be able to see many different theme options you can select. So once you've decided what theme you want, just go and tap it. And then Messenger will show you a preview of what the theme you selected will look like. If you liked it, then just tap select to completely set it as your new chat theme on Messenger. And then after that, the theme will now be changed. And that's the first way to change your Messenger chat theme, guys. Now that we're done with it, let's proceed to the second way. So for the second way, this is actually the easier way to change your Messenger chat theme. So to do it, you just need to long press on any empty space here in your chat. And then after that, all the themes will now appear just like that. You can now select what you want. And then that's it, guys, it's done. Your Messenger chat theme will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.